go there, oh, go and support Eniola Badmus. Oh. Next thing. And God bless Eniola. Eniola just called me. Lizzy, what did I do for you? Lizzy, even if I offend you, you should call me now. I swear to God. Who remember that day? Who remember that day? When I was campaigning for Eniola that you guys should go to Abuja, oh, go and support Eniola. Oh. Next thing, Eniola called.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, arábìnrin yìí Lizzy Anjorin ó sọ̀rọ̀ nípa nǹkan tí Eniola Badmus ṣe lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí òun dráàgì rẹ̀. Nǹkan tí Eniola Badmus ṣe nìyí. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí Lizzy Anjorin tí ó tún sọ nípa Eniola Badmus.
Lizzy, you should have called me even if I abuse you. Lizzy, I didn't do you anything. I said, Eniola, I was campaigning for you. I was diverting people to come to your party. He said, that is what you said. I said, yes now. He said, mi ò mọ̀. Oh, she. And she greeted me. What if Eniola did not come in that route? You know, Eniola would have come and attacked me. And the whole Nigerian would have, shebi Lizzy gbeja ẹni. And most people, tí ó jẹ́ èèyàn mọ́lé ni. That is how Iyabo Ojo pushed them. Kunle Afolayan never insulted that person now. Between you and I, you knew Kunle Afolayan never, Mr. Kunle Afolayan never insulted that person. Instead, he was giving kudos. He was appreciating them. But when they cut that part, the reason they cut video is to instigate the person you are defending so that the person will come and attack you. Iyabo Ojo will now come behind. And later, just to have access to Kunle Afolayan. Because Iyabo Ojo wanted Kunle Afolayan on a movie set. Okay, if Iyabo Ojo brain they work, Kunle Afolayan and the other person is having issue. Iyabo Ojo supposed to call the other person. No go attack Kunle Afolayan. Kunle Afolayan get fan base. So no let him fan base come attack you back. You know you've built your image to a certain. But you see this mumu. If Iyabo Ojo no finish her, she no go come back. You see these people that brought me to Abuja here, they took me to Ilorin. It was Iyabo Ojo using them. Because of what? She wants to ruin them. She wants to destroy their image. Iyabo, who sent us the online video that were being played